So the IMPAKT Breast Cancer Conference is a really unique conference for breast cancer researchers. It really aims to bridge the gap for research that's very exciting scientifically and how we're going to translate that through to the clinic. And really, amongst all the conferences available for breast cancer, the IMPAKT conference provides really interesting cutting-edge data on how we're translating advances through and the impact we're anticipating it's going to make in the clinic for treating breast cancer.
One of the main things why this is important is that IMPAKT has a very interdisciplinary view on breast cancer biology and breast cancer treatment. So if you are working as a pathologist, as a surgeon, as an oncologist, you will usually not get the complete picture of the new developments in breast cancer. And for the IMPAKT meeting, we have designed a program that combines translational research, basic research, but always with a clinical perspective, somebody from clinical daily practice explaining how this is useful for your daily clinical work.
It's a real open environment. There's lots of time for the discussion in the program, so you can really hear the real experts who really know the great detail discussing how this is going to impact the future care of women with breast cancer. And it's also a very friendly environment. There's lots of time outside sessions to interact with many of the real key opinion leaders for breast cancer.
For example, as a pathologist, we know for a very long time that tumors and breast carcinomas are heterogeneous. But now we see that we have the technologies to really investigate this heterogeneity on the molecular level and to do this in a way that is really relevant for clinical practice. So one very interesting example for this is triple-negative breast cancer. Triple-negative breast cancer has the problem that is a very difficult disease, very difficult to treat and to cure. But now there are emerging approaches in the field of chemotherapy, but also in the field of targeted therapy to address specifically triple-negative breast cancer. And the questions we will try to answer at the IMPAKT meeting is, are those new approaches suitable for all types of triple-negative breast cancer, or are there specific types, specific mutations that define the target population for those new ways to treat triple-negative breast cancer?
Another topic we're going to cover in IMPAKT 2015 is the impact of breast cancer mutations and response to treatment. We're going to discuss the really fascinating topic of mutations in the estrogen receptor and what this means for the treatment of women with estrogen receptor positive breast cancer. We're also going to look at the impact of mutations in PI3 kinase and how that impacts on sensitivity. And we'll also then bring together in a clinical discussion, actually, what does this mean for treatment of our patients today?